So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install Docker on Windows 11. So guys, if you want to install the Docker on the Windows 11, so guys it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you open your Chrome browser. After that you go and search for the Docker. Here you see the first link is www.docker.com. So you just click it. Okay. Then guys, here you see the option of support. In the support section, we have the option documentation. Okay, so you just click on documentation. In the documentation, here you go and click the option of get started. Then here you see get started, choose the best installation path for your setup. So just click it and install it. And guys, here you see when you move downward, so it asks you for Docker for Windows, Docker for Mac, and Docker for Linux. So we choose Docker for Windows. Okay, now here it asks you for the architecture. So we have 64 GB 64-bit operating system. So just click it and save it, and your Docker is start downloading. So it is around 629 MB. It take few seconds to download. Okay, then you just click on your Docker application where is installed. Okay, so just go click and go here, and now double click on your Docker, and first then you close all the application that are running. Okay, so now your Docker installation processes begin. Is here it shows that disk not enough space to install. Now we change the path and the location of our Docker application. Now guys, here you see all the user installation require the password pre-user installation for beta. So we just click the option of all user. Now here you see that the installation is begin. Now it's unpackaging the files, and it will take few minutes to perform these step.